सो हेलो एंड वेलकम अगेन गाइस। जैसे कि पिछले वीडियो में हमने मैथ एंड नंबर्स और उसके कुछ प्रॉपर्टीज़ और मेथड्स के बारे में डिस्कस किया था। सिमिलरली आज के इस वीडियो में हम स्ट्रिंग्स, उसके कुछ प्रॉपर्टीज और उसके कुछ मेथड्स डिस्कस करने वाले हैं। अगर आपने पिछले वाला वीडियो नहीं देखा हो तो मैं डिस्क्रिप्शन में प्लेलिस्ट की लिंक दे दूंगा, और या फिर आप आई बटन के ऊपर से क्लिक करके वो पिछले वाला वीडियो देख सकते हैं, क्योंकि वो वीडियोस बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है अगर आपको आगे तक जाना हो। ओके, जावास्क्रिप्ट में सो ईच एंड एवरी कंसेप्ट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, सो प्लीज डू नॉट मिस दैट वीडियो। ओके, सो we will start with creating a new file. Okay, I will create the file of tut4 okay .js, and similarly we are going to create the file of html. Okay, so tut4.html. okay, so I will just load the boilerplate. यहाँ पे मैं html की boilerplate load कर दूंगा. Okay, I will just close this and I will say here, okay, tutorial 4. okay, technically this is video number 5. okay, but we are considering the tutorials from second video. okay, so I'm going to create a tutorial 4 over here. okay, after that we will just create a heading 1 and I will just say tut4. okay, that's it. Again what we do, we again link our JavaScript file. okay, or we can say connect our JavaScript file. So I will just say tut4.js. okay, so after that we will just write alert statement if to whether our file has been connected or not, to check whether our JavaScript file has been connected or not. okay, I will just open this in a live server. I will just right click over here and I will just say open with live server. So if there is some background noise, please excuse me for that. okay, because some of the construction is going on here. okay, so yes, our JavaScript file has been connected. I will just open the console by clicking the inspect, और यहाँ पे मैं console open कर दूंगा. I will just refresh this. okay, yes, and I will just remove this alert statement. So what I will do, I will just write here string, okay, methods and properties. okay, that's it, and I will just again yes. so जैसे कि पिछले वीडियो में मतलब जब हमने डेटा टाइप्स डिस्कस किए थे उस वक्त हमने स्ट्रिंग क्या होता है वो डिस्कस कर लिया था. ओके, सो आई विल नॉट रिपीट दैट स्ट्रिंग कंसेप्ट ओवर हियर. आई विल जस्ट मूव ऑन, बट आई विल जस्ट गिव वन डेफिनेशन फॉर स्ट्रिंग. सो आई विल जस्ट से स्ट्रिंग and I will just say, or whether I will write what is string. okay, and I will write the definition for here: a series of characters written, okay, inside the quotes, yes, quotes. The quotes can be single quotes or double quotes. okay, so I will just again give an example over here. okay, I will just declare a variable called x and I will write Steve. oh, I just forgot to, yes, Steve Smith. okay, I will just write that over here. okay, and if we log this x in a console, okay, I will just say x, so we get Steve Smith. okay, and if we write type of over here, type of x, then we will get string. okay, so we have already discussed that, so I will just comment of this. okay, and yes, to get the shortcuts of the VS Code, we are making the content on short content on Instagram. okay, so that you can get tips and tricks regarding HTML, JavaScript and other programming languages as well. So follow that Instagram okay account. So I will just again go back to our content. okay, so first of all I'm going to discuss some of the properties. So I will just write properties over here. okay, and the first property which I'm going to discuss is, okay, which is length. okay, GTH. okay, I will just write L small here. So we are going to discuss length over here. So why this length property is used, okay, in JavaScript. So length property is used to find the length of find the length of a string. Okay, so you may find that we are going you may find in arrays also. Okay, when we are going to discuss the concepts of arrays and objects, not object but arrays, we are going to use the length property over there also. Okay, so why do we use length? We use length to find the length of a string. Okay, we'll just see the example. Okay, again this is built in, okay, this is built in JavaScript property. Okay, so we'll just have a look at example. I will just zoom this. Okay, so I don't know if you are able to see or not, but I will just zoom this. So first of all, to find the length of a JavaScript, we will declare the variable called I will just declare it as a text. Okay, and I will just say Steve Smith is a cricketer, CRICKETER. Okay, I don't know the spelling is correct or not. Okay, so Steve Smith is a cricketer, or just why can't we say that it's a good player, or I will just say Steve Smith. Okay, not to go very. Okay, so what I will do, first of all we will just write Steve. Okay, then we will write Steve Smith, then we will see what is the difference between these. Okay, so what I will do, I will just log, okay, in a console that text dot length. Remember that while using the length we don't have to write like this. Okay, we don't have to I will just mention a syntax also. Okay, I will just say syntax. So I will just say text. Okay, text dot, okay, then the property which we say length. Okay, we don't have to give a parenthesis over here. Okay, so I'll just say text dot length, and I also written this in a console. Okay, this statement. So what we get 5. Okay, if you count that 1 2 3 4 5, then we get Steve, okay, as a length of 5. तो वैसे अगर मैं मान लो, what I do, I will just declare another variable called let's just say B. Okay, and I will write a Steve Smith over here. Okay, then we will say, then we will log the log the length of the B. So I will just write B dot length. Okay, so I get 11. Okay, so how this 11 comes. Okay, अगर आपने यहाँ पे देखा STEVE, ये 5 कैरेक्टर्स है. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5. Again this Smith is 5 characters, then 5 plus 5 is 10, but why we are getting 11? Okay, so this also counts the space over here. Okay, ये space जो होता है वो भी count होता है length में. Remember that always. Okay, if I write again, if I give again a space over here, then I will get a 12 over here. Okay, so this is the difference why we are getting 5 over here and why we are getting 11 over here. Okay, so I will again comment this. If you have any doubt regarding this, okay, if you are not getting any text, any concept, so you just have to tell us on Telegram. Our expert teachers will always be there to solve your doubts. Okay, so again we will see some example. I will declare a variable called ABC. Okay, and I will write ABCD in this. Okay, ABCD EFGHIJKL NOPQRSTUV WXYZ. Okay, so we know that the length of the alphabetical characters is 26, but let test this. Okay, so I will just write log over here. Okay, and I will just say ABC dot length. Okay, whether we get 26 or not. Yes, we get 26 over. So you I hope you got this concept of length. Okay, or you got this property called length. Okay, so after that we are going to see some of the escape characters. Okay, so I will just write heading over here, escape characters, CHAR. Okay, what the spelling of character? Okay, characters. So what are escape characters? I will just write a definition. At some cases, okay, at some cases JavaScript don't understand, okay, don't understand or misunderstand, okay, or misunderstands some types of text, okay, or string, you can say. So what are those type of string which JavaScript is unable to understand? So first of all, just a second, yes, yeah, correct. So first of all, we are going to see why the JavaScript is not able to understand certain types of string, okay. So we'll just take an example. We'll say let text equals to we are the so called warriors, okay. WARRIORS, we are the so called warriors. But now if you have a look at this, we are getting error over here, okay. So why this is happening, okay? So this is happening because we are using double quotes inside the single double quotes inside the double quotes, okay, so which is generally not allowed in a JavaScript, okay. So in this type of when we get this type of error, okay, so what we do, we use the escape characters, okay, over here. So I will just comment this off, okay. So in this type of error, we use escape characters over here. So if I tell you that from where this from till what this text will be considered, this text will be considered only till this we are the so called, okay. The text will be not consider this warriors will be not considered, okay. So just a second. Yes, so this text, let text we are only this text will be only be considered till we are the so called, okay. The warriors will be not considered in this case. So how you can use the escape characters in this type of text or string? So we'll just see over here. So I will just declare x equals to, then I will just say we are. So first I will just give heading over here what we are using, okay. So we are using, okay, so we are using this type of escape characters, okay. So I will just write, okay, again we are the, okay, we are the so called warriors, okay. But we don't have to write like this, okay. So if you write like this again, then we will again get the error. So what I will have to do here is I will have to write like this, this backslash, okay, again, then a double inverted comma, okay. Then I will write the spelling which I have to write like warriors. I will just copy this, I will just paste it over here, and again, okay, yeah, this backslash, this warrior, and again I will use this what we can say backslash, and I will write double quotes here. I will give double quote over here. I will again give the double quote over here, okay. And again, so just a second, yes. So we are going to cover warriors in this type of escape characters, okay, this type of escape characters. So if you want to write double quotes inside a double quotes, okay, or you want to use the same inverted comma inside this inverted comma, then you are going to use these escape characters, okay. So if I log this, what we will see is I will just log this x, then we are the so-called warriors. unlike we were getting error over here. So to avoid that error, we are going to use this type of escape characters. Okay, so hope you got this concept. Okay, again we are going to move to the second concept called again second escape character, which is again this type of character, backslash and single inverted comma. Okay, I will just again we'll just see again example for that. I will just declare a equals to, and I will just say it's all right. Okay, it's I have to use the, what we can say. So if I write this statement in a single inverted comma, then I have to write this it's, oops, why I'm doing like this, it's then all right. Okay, so I have to write this type of statement. Okay, then again I get error over here, like we were getting the error while we were using a double inverted comma inside a double inverted comma. So same case is happening over here. So to avoid this, we can use the escape character, this type of escape characters. This escape characters character was for double quotes. This escape character is for single inverted comma. Okay, so I will just comment this off, Control K C. Okay, and I will just say I will again declare same variable, like I will just say b equals to, then I will write it's, now I have to write it. So what I will do, I will write backslash. Okay, then I'm going to say s, then I will just say ALRIGST. So I am not getting any error over here. So when I console I will log this statement in a console. So I will just say b. So see, we get it's all right in a desired form which we were expecting. Okay, so these are the use of these are some of the use of what we can say escape characters. Okay, you can also find the documentation on W3 Schools, or you can also find the documentation in W3 Schools, or you can also find that in a MDN. Okay, so have a look at that also. So again we are going to see the third escape character, which is, I'll just write it over here, double backslash. Okay, this type of escape characters. So why this is used? So I will just give the example. I will not say any I will not give any error example over here. So I will just say the character is called back. Okay, and when I will log this b, so what I will get only the backslash over here. Okay, so if I use this only one backslash, so it will not consider the backslash. Okay, so for that purpose I will have to give two backslash over in this statement. Okay, so in this type of cases we have to use like this. Okay, so now we are going to cover the topic of concatenation. What is concatenation? Okay, concatenation. So I think you have, if you know any other language other than JavaScript, like Java or Python, you might know the concept of concatenation. Okay, so why do we use concatenation? We use concatenation to interconnect or join two strings. Okay, so I will just see write the definition over here. We use concatenation. We use concatenation to interconnect or join two strings. Okay, for that purpose we use concatenation to interconnect the two strings or to join two strings. Okay, so remember that we have seen escape characters, but there is another one method which I am going to cover in next video, I think so. So don't worry about that. Okay, and in this concatenation we are also going to cover some one more concept regarding this concatenation. So I will just give some of the example of concatenation over here. मैं यहाँ पे एक एग्जांपल लेता हूँ, लाइक आई विल डिक्लेयर x इक्वल्स टू, आई विल जस्ट से I am x, okay, and I will again declare the variable y over here, then it will say I am y, okay. So when what I have to join these two statement, अगर मुझे ये दो statement join कर रहे हो और या फिर I have to join these two strings, so what I will have to do, I will just say x plus y, okay. So when I say x plus y, I get I am x and I am y. बट वॉट हैपनिंग ओवर हियर इज, यहाँ पे हमें स्पेस नहीं मिल रहा, सो वॉट आई विल हैव टू डू, यहाँ पे मुझे x के बाद एक स्पेस देना पड़ेगा. सो व्हेन आई विल सी लाइक दिस, देन आई विल गेट आई एम x, आई एम y, ओके, वी विल हैव स्पेस बिटवीन देम. बट एक्चुअली we can also concatenate two strings in another way. So if I just log the statement, then what I will say, I will just say I am x, okay. So I will just give space over here so that we get space between two statements or two sentence. Then I will just say, I will just write plus over here. Then again I will say, again I will write a string over here, or I will just give an inverted comma, and inside that I will say I am, okay, and I am y, okay. So I will just write this, then I will get I am x and I am y. You can also concatenate the strings in this type, okay, like this type. So I will again give some example, like if I write log statement over here, so I will say, or I will just say let x equals to just excuse my voice because I am having a little bit of cough, okay. I am a programmer, okay. We'll just take this example. Then I will just concatenate this, okay. I will just say plus, the space does not matter, you can also, if you do not give a space over here, it's fine, okay. I am a programmer plus I will say and I am cool, okay. I will just say like this. Now what we will do, we will just comment this code and I will log this x, okay. So I am programmer and I am cool, okay. So we are getting like this. So you can concatenate two strings, okay, in the like this type, or in this type, okay, or in this way I can say. So that's it. This is the concatenation method. So now again we are going to move to very important concept of methods, okay. We have we have seen some of the properties. Now we are going to see some of the methods in a strings. I will just say methods, okay. So what are some of the types of methods, okay. So first we will start with the extracting strings, okay. Extracting, tracting strings. So we'll start with this. So first of all, the first method is called slice, okay. SLICE, slice. So what these do, okay, what is the purpose of this slice method? It extracts, extracts, it extracts the part of string, okay, and returns the extracted part in new string, okay. Remember this, when we use this type of slice, then substring or something like that methods, it does not convert the already existed string to the new string, okay. But what I'm going to say is it does not apply the converting method on existing string. It take that part of a string and converts that into a new string, okay. So we'll just see what I'm trying to say, okay. So again I'm going to write like that, it takes takes two parameters, okay. So what are parameters? I will just explain. You will get this information more about in functions when we are going to cover functions, but till now I will just explain in a short, okay. So what are the parameters? It takes two parameters. The first parameter is, okay, the first parameter is start position, POSRTION, and the second position is end position. Okay, so what are parameters? We will just see when we are applying the slice method. Okay, oops, I have written the slice something like that over here. Okay, I will just correct it. Okay, so I will just declare the X over here, or I will just say fruits. Okay, FRUI, just fruits. Then again I will declare some fruits over in this string. So apple. Okay, then BANANA. Okay, banana. Then again kiwi, something like that. Okay, so after that we are going to use this slice method. हम इस slice method को इस fruits के ऊपर apply करने वाले. Okay, so what the slice says, ये क्या बोलता है slice? It extracts the part of string and returns the extracted part in a new string. Okay, so what it says, it extracts the part of a existed string. Okay, मतलब ये क्या करेगा, string में ये string का एक part extract करेगा ये slice method, और हमें एक new string return करेगा. Okay, so we'll just see the example. Okay, so we have declared the fruits string over here, and I will just apply the slice method on this fruits. So I will just say fruits fruits dot slice, then I will just say slice what. Now the slice takes parameters. Okay, जो हम कुछ इसमें जब कुछ मेथड के अंदर हम इनपुट देते हैं, like in this parenthesis, then this is called as a parameters. So सबसे पहला like it takes two parameters as we have discussed earlier, start position and end position. So what is start position? The start position will be from where we have to start the start slicing. Okay, so I will just say like 7. Okay, and then what I will give another I will give is 13. Okay, so when I log this, okay, I will just store this in another variable. Okay, so let output, okay, let output equals to fruits dot slice, and I will just log this output. Okay, so see, when I apply this slice method, okay, I get banana. So how this 7 and 13 is being considered? Okay, so हम क्या करेंगे, we'll just start with position 0. Always in a JavaScript, the positioning of any letter or any string or any number or any array starts from a 0. Okay, so I will not call apple as a 1, then P as a 2, 3, 4. No, not like that. I will say apple, the position of a apple is 0. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So at the 7th position I get B. Okay, so space also counts, remember that. So at the 7th position I get B, and this is the starting position. So B is the starting position. Then from B we go to 13. Okay, remember that this end position is not considered. Okay, not what we can say, not included. Okay, so end position is not included. So what I will do, from 7, which is B, okay, then 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, so remember this 13th position is not counted, okay, or not included. So this comma is not included. If I write 14 over here, then I will get the comma of banana in our output. Okay, I will just zoom this, I will get the banana like this. Okay, but if you want to get only the banana part or something another part like that, then we'll have to use like this. Okay, so remember that last position or end position is not counted over here. Okay, so this is very important concept. Then again what we can do, I will just control case, I will just comment this, and again we will try to give a negative numbers in this parenthesis. Okay, so I will say fruits dot, or I will just declare an output. Okay, let another output. Okay, AOUT, yes, this is called camel case. I think so I have explained, or no, I just don't remember, but this type of naming is called as camel casing. So what happens in camel casing is like we write the first word in a small letters CAMEL, okay, and when the another or third, second or fourth or subsequent word starts, we don't give a space, okay, we just capitalize that first letter, okay, and we just again write another subsequent letters of that word or in a small letters like CASING. And if another word is starting, okay, then we will just again give a capital letter, okay, so I will say word like this. Then this is called as a camel casing, okay. So I will just declare another variable, okay, like another output, and I will just say fruits dot slice, okay, SLICE, I don't know what is happening today, okay, fruits dot slice. Then I will write the number which I have to in a negative form, okay. So what I will do, I will just a second, let me see, okay, I will just write negative 12, okay, and the ending string will be, the ending position will be -6, okay. Yes, so what will happen, just let's see what we get in output, okay, then I will explain this. Okay, what we get banana only, okay. So how this starts, okay, so when we are giving any negative number, it starts from the end. As we were giving positive number, it starts from this starting from apple, okay, but it does not when we give negative number, it starts from the end. So we'll just count negative 12 or -12 from here. So this is called -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7, -8, -9, -10, -11 and -12. So -12 is B, okay, we got B in a -12. And what is -6? Just see, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, we got -6, which is comma, okay. So remember that end position is not counted, so we got only the banana over here, okay. So in this type we can also give a negative number inside the parameters, okay, in these parameters, and these parameters are separated using comma, remember always like that, okay. So after that I'm again going to discuss don't worry, all these rules and regulation regarding parameters and positioning, why we start with position 0, 1, I have all these rules I have already written in my PDFs, okay, or in my notes. So access that notes from Telegram channel, okay, you will get the PDF from there. So and also share that PDF to your friends so that they also get to know about JavaScript, okay. So after that we'll just comment this off again. So this is slice. Then again we are going to discuss another I will just uncomment this because we are going to use this frequently, okay, Control K U. So now again I will just give one parameter in this. I will not give two parameters like -12 or -6 or -7 or 7 or 13. I will just give one parameter and then let's see what we get, okay. So for that I will just say I will just directly use log statement, okay, and I will just say fruits fruits dot slice, okay, dot slice, and in this slice I will just give one parameter. So what happens, I will get banana and kiwi. So till 7 like 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 यहाँ तक हमें क्या हो जाएगा, ये पार्ट स्लाइस हो जाएगा, ओके, और ये पार्ट जो है हमें रिटर्न में मिल जाएगा. We will get rest of the part, okay, we will not get the previous part, we will get the rest of the part from this number 7, okay, from this position, okay. So I will just write we get rest of the string, okay, if we declare or if we provide only one parameter, okay. So similar is the case for similar we can do for my negative numbers, okay. So I will just say fruits dot slice. In this fruits dot slice I will mention like -12. So what I will get banana and kiwi only, okay. So you can count that, okay. So after that I will just comment again, Control KC, and I will just copy this, okay, so we can use in another methods, okay. So there is a method called substring. You can also have a look at that documentation. I will just open the documentation of W3 schools. Okay, if you go to the strings methods, okay, in JavaScript. So if you go to this strings methods and properties, then you will get the slice method over here. Okay, same example is taken over here. I am also referring that example from here only. Then the notes are given over here. Okay, then again the str method is not str, yes, substring method is given over here. The substring method is similar to slice, but only difference is that it cannot accept the negative indexes, or it cannot accept the negative positioning. Okay, so that is the difference. Okay, I will also include this part in a note, so you can have a look at that. Okay, so after that, JavaScript string, then str, okay, or how you can call that, I don't know. This is also similar to the slice. Okay, only the difference is the second parameter provides the length of the extracted part, like we will see over here. Okay, we will see what is the, yes, sub str. Okay, so we will just see the example. It is similar to slice, but the second parameter, oops, parameter, is the second parameter defines the, okay, length. So we'll just take an example, or I will just copy the previous one over here. Yes, this one, and I will just say I will just log fruits, okay, dot sub str. Okay, and in this sub str I will declare the starting position. The starting position is 7. Okay, so I think so sub str is deprecated legacy. Yes, it is deprecated, I think so. So but still I will just explain this. Okay, sub str 7, then I will just say comma, then I will just provide the length of the word which we are going to get. Okay, so what is the 7th position? 7th position is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This 7th position start with the banana. Okay, so I will just say 7, then I will just provide the length of that from here. I will just provide the length of the word or string from here. So if I write BANANA 6 over here, then I will get banana. Okay, what if I write 7 over here, then I will get comma. Okay, if I write 8, then I will get comma with a space. If I write 9, I will get banana with space, comma, and k. Okay, so in this type we specify we define the length in a second parameter. Okay, so I think so this is deprecated, so you must not use that, but still I will explain this in our in this session. Okay, so we have covered most of the methods. There are some of the important method, very important method, which are toString. Okay, to uppercase, okay, this is very important method, and another one is to lowercase. So I will just, what I will do, I will just declare a variable called x equals to, I will just say hello. Okay, in a small letters, all small. Okay, so if I use that, I will just log that. Okay, if I use x dot to uppercase, okay, you can see the recommendation, okay, or hint over here, to uppercase, and I will just give parenthesis. Then what this will do is, this will convert this string into uppercase. Okay, all capital letters. So if you look at this, then I will get hello in all capital letters. But I will just again copy, and I will just comment this off. But if you use the to lowercase, okay, if you use the to lowercase, then what this do, this reverse the above process. Like if you write hello in a capital, all capital, or like okay, so it will convert that x to to uppercase, or I'm going to set to lowercase. Okay, so it will convert all the letters in a small letters. Okay, or I will just say, okay, this then this will this all letters will be converted into a small or lowercase. Okay, so I think this is the end of the methods or this video. So we have discussed many properties and methods in a string, so go throughout that. I will also push this code on a GitHub, so GitHub link will be given in a description. अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो hit the like, subscribe, okay, and share this video to your friends. And if you want to access amazing content, more amazing content, or if you want to get a short clips of these videos, then follow our Instagram, okay, where you will get many short content or shortcuts for VS Code and other stuff. Okay, then again, if you want to get the PDF notes, you can also get that at our Telegram channel. So join our Telegram channel, so your doubts will be also solved over there. Okay, अगर आपको कोई doubts हो, then your doubt will be solved as soon as possible by our expert teachers. Okay, so till that, goodbye and have a nice day.